Do not underestimate the power of referrals. Your happy clients, your partners. Happy clients are really actually your very best, you know, kept secret, the best thing that you can do for your business. So building programs around what's going to get you more of those is really, really important. And that can take up a considerable section of kind of that middle of your pipeline, offering discounts to them, exclusive perks, referral discounts, even just a thank you gift at the bare minimum. Those types of things are critical. Hey everyone, and welcome to the No Grow Scale podcast. I'm your host, Laura Johns, founder and CEO of the Business Growers, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's really critical for managed services providers, especially those who don't have the resources for a full in-house sales team, who might be considering building their sales pipeline utilizing SDRs. So finding new clients is obviously the lifeblood for an MSP, IT company, really any company that's interested in growth. So we know sales is important, right? But when you're starting out, even a seasoned salesperson or hiring that in-house or dedicating resources to a full sales department really might not be feasible for your MSP. And so the good news is you can absolutely generate a steady stream of leads and close deals without relying fully on an in-house salesperson or really even an SDR who's booking appointments in-house for you. So think of your sales pipeline like a funnel, okay? So you've got kind of the heavier, thicker, bigger part on top, obviously more narrow at the bottom. You've got your marketing efforts, whatever you're doing to attract those potential clients. And then as they move down the funnel, you should be nurturing your leads, qualifying them, and ultimately converting them to paying customers. So first things first, kind of at that very top level, you have to know who you're targeting. So get crystal clear on your ideal client profile. We like to call it persona, ICP. What are their pain points? What are their business goals? What size are they? Where do they live? Once you have all of this nailed down, then your marketing actually becomes a lot less scattered and much more focused and effective. So at the very top of that funnel, you should be doing that. And then attracting those clients. Let's talk about that next. So content marketing, in my opinion, is your secret weapon. I've done loads and loads of other episodes that you will find if you search our YouTube channel and other podcasts. So content marketing, and of course we do different, a lot of different, we do paid, content, we do organic content, but it's really going to be what drives the needle and the volume of it and the ability for, especially as a B2B buyer, to go find answers to the questions they're looking for, because they're doing about 70%, just so you know, 70% to 80% of their research is happening online before they ever talk to someone in sales. So you need to be providing blog content, articles, webinars, short videos, things that will position you as an expert so that when they are looking for you, they are looking for a solution to their problem, rather, they will find you. And that's kind of what fills up a lot of that middle of funnel. Again, it can be lots of different things. But then, of course, don't underestimate, we all know that referrals help drive business. Do not underestimate the power of referrals. Your happy clients, your partners. Happy clients are really actually your very best, kept secret, the best thing that you can do for your business. So building programs around what's going to get you more of those is really, really important. And that can take up a considerable section of kind of that middle of your pipeline, offering discounts to them, exclusive perks, referral discounts, even just a thank you gift at the bare minimum. Those types of things are critical. So, and then from referrals kind of stems that strategic partnerships. There are other people that are selling to the same customer that you are. Dedicating a little bit of your time to finding out what those strategic partnerships are, developing those. Anyone that offers a complimentary service that doesn't overlap with you. Honestly, if you're thinking, gosh, hiring in-house is overwhelming, hiring a salesperson is overwhelming, sometimes one or two of those really good strategic partnerships can do the same or more that an in-house salesperson can do. So those are just some really, really simple things that you can do to build your sales pipeline, honestly, separate of the whole digital marketing wheelhouse that us at the Business Growers that we are doing, sales automation, LinkedIn automation, lead notifications when someone's coming to your website, Google ads, LinkedIn ads. A lot of these things are also most certainly filling the pipeline, driving the needle for our clients. But what I'm talking about today is just really like, hey, I don't have the money to hire in-house. I don't necessarily have a big budget for marketing. What are, some things that I can do? So figuring out who your ideal client is, generating some good content, lots of AI tools out there to be able to do it, but make sure that you are doing it authentically and checking, obviously, that AI content, building a good referral system and good referral program, and then engaging in some of those strategic partnerships. Those are 4 things that you can do to build that sales funnel, to build that pipeline that don't require a lot of money. So if you want to learn more about what we're doing at the Business Growers that continues to fill that pipeline even more, for sure, look us up at thebusinessgrowers.com for more resources. You can look there as well, or connect with me on LinkedIn, Laura Johns, founder and CEO of the Business Growers. And don't forget, if you found this valuable, if you found these tips something that you'd like to continue to stick in your back pocket and your tool belt for resources, you can certainly subscribe to the No Grow Skill podcast and keep hearing more about how to grow your managed services provider. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time, we will see you later. Remember, look us up at thebusinessgrowers.com. If you have questions, connect with me on LinkedIn. Thanks so much.